Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, review muna tayo ng basic probability. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa tropa kong si Janjo Moraleda. And maraming salamat Lodi sa patuloy na support mo sa channel ni Sir IJ. And I hope you all the best and advance Merry Christmas. So ito yung hot topic natin ngayon mga Lodi Geeks. So we have three good old friends, Daniel, Catherine, and Andrea are in a race. The odds that Daniel will win are 7:5 and the odds that Catherine will win are 1:3. What are the odds in favor of Andrea? So ano po ba Sir IJ ibig sabihin ng odds? So kayo na bahala mag-assess kung ano yung assessment nyo sa topic na to. Pero sagutan natin to mathematically. So ang ibig sabihin Sir IJ or sa mga lodi natin, the meaning of the odds in favor, that is the ratio of success is to failure. So that is success over failure. If ever naman na maka-encounter kayo ng odds against, so that is failure over success. So ibig sabihin pala Sir IJ, ang ratio ng success at ng failure ni Daniel is 7:5. So ibig sabihin hindi po yun yung probability So the probability in terms of this one, so the probability that Daniel will win is equal to the success. So that is success over success plus failure. Mga lodi, gawin na lang natin tong S over F. So ibig sabihin pala Sir IJ, 7 yung success ni Daniel. Ang failure niya is 5. So we have 7 over 7 plus 5. So we have 7 over 12. Ganun po yung ibig sabihin niyan. Applying the same principle with Catherine, so the probability that Catherine will win is equal to the total success. So 1:3. So that is 1 over, kasi win naman nakalagay. So that is 1 over 1 plus 3. So that is 1 over 4. Since tatlo lang naman sila dun sa pinaka-main sa event natin, so dapat ang total probability must be equal to 1. So the probability that Daniel will win plus the probability that Catherine will win plus the probability that Andrea will win is equal to 1. So just substitute the value 7/12 plus 1/4 plus the probability that Andrea will win equals 1. And then solving for the probability that Andrea will win, so that is just 1 minus the sum of these two. 7/12 plus 1/4, that is 5/6. 1 minus 5/6, that is 1/6. So kaya lang Sir IG, walang 1:6 sa choices, which is tama naman. Kasi ito, success over total to, mga idol. So this is success over the total. How do we now get the odds in favor of Andrea? So the odds ni Andrea na manalo is that is the ratio or that is yung success natin is to failure. So that is 1:2 the difference of 6 and 1. Kasi ito yung total, ito yung success. 6 minus 1, that is 5. So the correct answer is letter B. So sana mga Lodi Cakes na-review kayo dun sa ano natin, na-review kayo dun sa basic probability natin, and sana mga Lodi, patuloy pa rin kayo maniwala sa forever. Hindi, joke lang mga idol. Kita-kits sa mga next mga tutorial videos ko and engineering related tutorial videos ko, and advance Merry Christmas. Keep safe, God bless, and bye-bye.